Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Songmaker. Open it now and set tempo to about 80-90 BPM so the phrasing matches the original feel. Once done, choose chromatic or C minor for easier note placement, and pick the piano voice because it reads clearly on the grid. You want sustain on so notes blend into each other. That makes the vocal melody lines sound natural. Now create a 16-beat pattern and prepare to input the main motif. Don't worry about perfection. You'll refine it next. You'll place the vocal melody on the top row, using half and quarter note lengths to match the lyric's rhythm. Listen and adjust spacing until it sings. Once the first 4-bar motif feels right, copy-paste it to make the verse, and then tweak a few notes for variation in the chorus. Add chords on lower rows. Simple triads or root plus fifth will support the tune, and use a pad or synth voice for warmth. Make sure the melody sits slightly louder than the chords, so the line is clear. Now polish dynamics. Lower chord rows and lift the melody row until the tune cuts through, and then listen on headphones to catch small timing slips. When satisfied, use the download button to export MIDI or record your system audio if you need a WAV file. MIDI lets you refine later in a DAW. If the download or audio plays weirdly, refresh the page, clear cache, or switch to Chrome. Chrome Music Lab performs best there. That troubleshooting trick fixes most playback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.